game launch blocked by the Storm Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. To start the walkthrough for Storm Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Storm Library, the Blizzard Storm Library module. It manages localized MPQ archive extraction, multiplayer networking handshakes, BattleNet, and memory management for titles like StarCraft and Warcraft 3. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Storm is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Storm Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Installing an unverified version of Storm Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the Diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Storm Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saves Storm Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.